A light magnitude 3.4 earthquake occurred in the North Pacific Ocean 384 kilometers, 239 miles from Ecuador in the early morning of Tuesday, June 17, 2025 at 4:06 a.m. local time, GMT-5. The depth of the quake could not be determined, but is assumed to be shallow. The quake was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, Raspberry shake after 13 minutes. The earthquake occurred 7 weeks after a magnitude 4.2 earthquake had hit on Saturday, April 26, 2025, at 2:54 a.m. GMT-5 local time, in 99 kilometers, 61 miles, distance to the north. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.